Emmanuel College is a co-ed, Catholic, residential, liberal arts and sciences college with more than 70 programs across life and clinical sciences, business, humanities, government and politics, and education. At Emmanuel, students are in Boston, inspired, and in demand. 100% of Emmanuel students complete one or more career-launching internships in fields including biomedicine, technology, education, the media, finance, public service, and the law. And 43% complete 2 or more internships while at Emmanuel. The 17-acre campus is at a thriving crossroads of academia, culture, and biomedical innovation. And with the best address in higher education, more than 50% of all Emmanuel internships are within 2 miles of campus. 92% of recent Emmanuel graduates who are seeking admission to graduate school were admitted, while 96% of those seeking employment had found a job within 1 year. And 10 years out, 99% of Emmanuel alumni are employed, enrolled in further education, or engaged in volunteer or military service. As Emmanuel enters its 2nd century, its students are in Boston, inspired, and in demand.